Chris, Nebraska Senator Tony Vargas has begun a COVID-19 vaccine trial and is encouraging others to do the same, saying there's not enough representation within the trials for people of color. 3 News Now reporter Ruta Olsonaitis spoke with the senator about what motivated him to start the trial and how it has affected him so far.
Senator Tony Vargas knows all about the fight with COVID. After both of his parents contracted the disease, his father, Antonio Vargas, passed away in April.
This affected my family. I lost my father to this, and my mother and my brother and others in my family tested positive and have recovered since. And it felt like there's something that more that I needed to do.
Motivated by the fact that he hasn't tested positive, Vargas signed up this week through Meridian Clinical Research to begin a COVID vaccine trial, saying there's not enough representation in these trials for people of color.
If they do not have enough individuals of color in these trials, it somewhat threatens how effective this vaccine can actually be for the whole population, especially people of color like myself.
He received his first dose Monday and will monitor his vitals and symptoms for 2 years. But it's something that most Americans are still not willing to try, even when a vaccine is approved. According to the latest CNN poll, only about half of Americans say they would try to get a vaccine once one was made available. And that percentage has dropped since May, when 66% of people said they would try a vaccine. Senator Vargas is trying to change the perception of a vaccine and is trying to dismantle any misconceptions.
Some of the misconceptions or the fears I heard is that this, somehow I'm going to be, injecting with the virus itself, which is not the case.
Vargas says he feels no different since starting the trial and encourages others, especially individuals of color, to sign up. So the vaccine is effective for everyone, everywhere, and for every race. Reporting in Omaha, Ruta Olsonaitis, 3 News Now.
Senator Vargas says he'll be sharing his journey on this specific trial through his Twitter and encourages everyone to follow along to learn more about a possible vaccine.